I got some
Happy 4th.
explosive thunder bomb crackers on my airplane here. So take it out a little bit. We're gonna light it and take off and see what happens. Yeah, you gotta do it at the same time because that one's hard to light. Here we go.
They fell off. Oh my goodness. Yes, you do. That's a nice landing there. Nice job, KBRC.
It's alright. Thanks. Alright, started. Here we go, guys, again. Hold on a second, I'm gonna put this on.
Alright, KBRC. Lighting the fuse.
Firecrackers.
Fire it up.
Oh, wait, no, top one.
What?
Do the
Oh.
top one.
Is it dying or did you just drop them all?
No, that was good.
I don't think you could see
Hey,
much.
touched my landing gear.
It what?
Or something is on it. Oh, no, that's just dead.
I don't think you could.
The smoke.
I don't think you can actually see what you're doing, but that's kind of funny.
Alright, we'll find out something else to do.
There we go. It's all started.
Alright. So just do one at a time as fast as you can, if you can. Oh, yeah, this is really cool. Uh-oh, one fell off. Oh, wait, no, it didn't.
No, you got them both.
Oh, heck yeah. I think they're about out.
Yeah, I think they're about done already.
That's pretty good, though.
That was pretty good.
No, it's
He's still, either that or you're on fire. Oh.
Oh well, that was pretty good though. I got more to come.
It's on fire.